In this video, we solved a numerical of heat pump, and in these examples, we need to find out the work done and another parameters are given in these examples. Now problem statement is a heat pump is used to maintain a conference room at 20 degrees centigrade. Okay, means we need to maintain the room temperatures, means conference room temperatures at 20 degrees centigrade when the surrounding temperature is 8 degrees centigrade, means the atmosphere temperature is 8 degrees centigrade. Okay, but we need to maintain the conference room temperatures 20 degree, means source temperature is 20, sink temperature is 8 degrees centigrade. Calculate the power required, means we need to find out the work done to run the heat pump. If the COP is 4, means COP is given, that's 4, and heat loss from the room is 1200 kilojoule per minute. So we understand this data by using this diagram. So here you see this conference room at the 20 degrees centigrade. Here it is the heat pump, and in this heat pump we supply this work done W, and W is equal to this Q1 minus Q2. Here conference room at the 20 degree, atmosphere air at the 8 degrees centigrade. Now we return this given data here. T1, that is a 20 degrees centigrade, means conference room temperature is 20. In Kelvin it is a 293 Kelvin. So we need to do the summation, that is a 20 plus 273. T2, that is the surrounding temperature, it is the 8 degree. So by mistake here 9 is written, but it is the 8 degree. Okay, so 273 plus 8, that is a 281 kelvins. Q1 is given, Q1 is the 1200 kilojoule per minute. So here we need to convert in a second, so we need to divide it by 60, because in a 1 minute 60 seconds is there. So it is a 20 kilojoule per seconds. Now here the heat loss is given. Okay, but why we consider it is the Q1s? Because the heat pump deliver heat to room from atmosphere is equal to heat loss from the rooms. Okay, so means room is lost the heat energy. Okay, so room is lost the 1200 kilojoule per minute of the heat energy, then we supplied the heat energy to the room, that is at the same rate. That's why we consider it is the Q1 is given. So heat loss from the room is equal to heat to be delivered by a heat pump. So we know that the COP of heat pump, so equations of the COP of heat pump is the Q1 upon W. Why? The COP means this is the output upon input. What is the output? Output is the Q1, because here we need to maintain the conference room temperature 20, because heat pump is used for the heating purpose. Suppose this example is given for the refrigerator, that means our output is the Q2, because in refrigerator we need to maintain the lower temperatures. Okay, so suppose we need to find out the COP of refrigerator, then equation is convert, that is a Q2 upon W. Okay, so here Q1 is given, that is a 12, COP is given 4, so 4 is equal to 20 upon work done W. Okay, so we supply this W on the left sides and the 4 is coming on this side, so it is a 20 divided by 4. So work done is equal to 5 kilojoule per second, or 5 kilojoule per second is also written as the kilowatt. So it is the 5 kilowatt, it is our answer. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the engineering thermodynamics or a basic mechanical engineering, or for other subject of the mechanical engineering. For a engineering thermodynamics, various link is provided in descriptions, as well as card mean on the top right screen of your mobile, so laptop you see this I symbol. For other subject I request to visit playlist.